The police are still on the hunt for the attackers that carried out an attempted brazen robbery of a guardsman vehicle in Santa Cruz, St. Elizabeth, which left a security guard dead. Hi again and welcome. This is Links WSM TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Links WSM TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links WSM TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links WSM TV News Report. Detectives from the St. Elizabeth Police Division have commenced a major investigation into the daring attempt of a heist in Santa Cruz, St. Elizabeth on Wednesday, March 3, which left a guardsman security guard dead and two others nursing gunshot wounds. The deceased has been identified as 50-year-old Anthony Aden. In a release, the police said that the incident occurred about 8:15 a.m. outside a financial service institution on Main Street in the town, when the three security officers attempted to make a cash drop-off. The police said that the security officers were ambushed by a group of men who opened gunfire at them. During the incident, all three security guards received gunshot wounds. The police, who were quick on the scene, transported the injured security guards to the hospital, where one of them succumbed to their injuries and the others treated and remained in the care of the medical facility. The release initially indicated that about 7:45 a.m., two men who are believed to be the suspect shooters were seen sitting at a stall in the area. One of the suspects is believed to be brown complexion, and the other was sporting an afro hairstyle and was dressed in a red windbreaker, while the other man is believed to be of slim build and dark complexion. The police said that despite the fatal attempted robbery, data indicates that there was about a 12% reduction in robberies in the parish last year, which was said to have been achieved through the use of crime reduction strategies. This has been Links WSM TV News Report. Thanks for watching.